Hey everybody, so I got myself, Jason, Shannon, Jonathan back here, and Wyatt. Wyatt, what's the weather?
It's a little sunny, a little cloudy, might rain. Who knows?
What's the temperature?
61.
61 degrees. Today we're gonna go up to Blacksmiths Fork River, see how much water's coming down the canyon, and then probably over to Porcupine Reservoir, check out the Little Bear River. We'll see you there. Of course, we gotta stop at Maverick Adventure's first stop. Both sides. This guy's truck. Yeah, they're standing out there going, what do we do?
That's what we would call a problem.
Wow. Blacksmiths Fork River.
What's today, like May 12th or something?
May 13th. Like the water's almost up to that bridge.
Yeah.
Chenoa picnic area in Blacksmiths Fork Canyon. May 13th. Up here in Blacksmiths Fork Canyon at Hiram Park, and this is one of my favorite parks. I've been coming up here most of my life, but look, you got water everywhere. They got sandbags over there. So I'm over here at the Hardware Ranch side of Ant Flat Road. Yesterday in my previous video I showed the Monte Cristo side of Ant Flat Road with a bunch of snow on it. But Hardware Ranch side, check that out. It's like dusty roads. So my friend Shane, if you're watching this, you can probably make it to your property. Such a cool little hidden waterfall. Just a real quick look at left-hand fork up just off of Blacksmiths Fork Canyon. We'll head over to Porcupine, see what that looks like in the Little Bear River. See you guys over there. Looks like the road's closed. There's the Little Bear River. Comes out of Porcupine Reservoir. We couldn't make it up there because the road was closed.